What up guys, if you know you've been actively mining on the TIKCHAIN application, then this is an update you shouldn't miss, because this is actually going to verify whatever you've been doing on the TIKCHAIN application. This is going to actually prove that you have been engaging on the ecosystem, and it's also going to guarantee you getting your token from the TIKCHAIN application. All right, so this is something you should get involved in if you are already active on the TIKCHAIN application. But if you are not mining there and you still want to join, why not? You can still join. It is still new right here, but I would advise you also try and download the TIKCHAIN application and also mine some TIKCHAIN over there, because there are difference between the TIKCHAIN and the TIKCHAIN. TIKCHAIN is the native token of the ecosystem, while the TIKCHAIN is the ecosystem itself. So these are the difference between the two. So whatever you do on the TIKCHAIN application is still going to be traced back to your TIKCHAIN application. All right, because every activities will be tracked on the TIKCHAIN application. All right, because this is the ecosystem itself where you can do a whole lot of stuff with this blockchain. All right, so guys, if you are interested, you want to be part of it, or you've already been mining on the TIKCHAIN application and you want to know how to connect your TIKCHAIN to the TIKCHAIN application, you should pay attention to this video till the end, because I'll be showing you every single thing you need to understand and how to do it by yourself. So if you're interested, stay to the end. So if you click on the link in the description of this video, it will take you to your Play Store or your App Store. The both links are down there. If you click on them, it take you to where you can download and install this application. All right, mine is already downloaded on my mobile phone. All I need to do is to click on the open button right. All right, so once you open the application this way, okay, it says our app wants to say stay free for you. Okay, click on continue. All right, I'm going to allow this. Click on allow. Now you can see over here it says we should choose our language, so go ahead, select the language you understand, and you can go ahead and click on next button right here. Now we are on the future, right? I'm going to click on next again. Click next. Okay, we're going to click next. All right, I'm clicking next again and allow notification. Okay, I'm going to allow this. I'm allowing notification and good. Now we get to this particular place where we're going to be creating the account. Now remember, you are going to be creating an account using the same email you used in creating an account on your TIKCHAIN mining application. All right, so what we're going to do is to use the same email address. So I'm going to click on create free account here, and I'm going to put in a username right here, then I'll write my email address next, then create a password, confirm the password, and you can also insert my referral code right here. All right, for bonus. All right, just the code blinking on the screen right now. You're going to insert that code and you're going to get a referral bonus from here. All right, then after doing all that, after filling out the all boxes, all you need to do is to click on create account right here and you log in. Now let me quickly do mine and I'll get back to you. Once you are done creating the account, a verification code will be sent to your email address. You're going to copy that code and paste it right here in order for you to verify your email instantly. So I'm going to open my Gmail and check that code out. The code has been sent. I can see it right here. I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to copy this, copy, and go back. Okay, good. Now you have to create a pin. All right, so you can enable your biometrics if you have your biometrics on your mobile phone activated. I'm going to enable mine. All right, choose avatar. All right, I think I can skip this for now. I can put a profile picture later on. All right, so you can just skip this. All right, continue. Just click on continue. Okay, I'm going to skip this for now. All right, so now once you get over here into the application, this is what it looks like. This is what the application looks like. Now before you start anything, it's good you just activate your mining so that your app will be mining for you instantly, first of all, before you connect your TIKCHAIN to this application. All right, now to get here, click on this mining button right here in the middle here. So you can see over here TIKCHAIN on your right and TIKCHAIN on your left right here. So I'm still going to use the TIKCHAIN because I'm going to connect my TIKCHAIN application over here. But for now, let's quickly activate our mining on the TIKCHAIN application. So you click over here now. All right, so mining has been activated. You can see it right here. We are currently mining right here. Your mining is for every 8 hours. You can see it right here. Mining is for every 8 hours. So you have to come over here to click and activate so that you can accumulate this token for completely free every 8 hours. Now the mining rate is currently high, which is 0.9 TCC per hour. All right, so take maximum advantage and accumulate this for completely free. Now remember, the total supply is just 100 million right here. You can see it here. 100 million is the total supply. It's not that much. All right, now let me go back. Now let's quickly connect our TIKCOIN to this TIKCHAIN application right here. So you click over here. Now very good, all you have to do is to click on, we already have our TIKCOIN application downloaded and installed on our mobile phone. You must be someone that has been mining on the TIKCOIN application already before you can get this done. All right, now I already have mine on my mobile phone. All I need to do is to click on the connect account. All right, over here. Okay, now I'm just going to wait for this to load. I can see it's loading, but obviously it has not yet connected. Okay, it has automatically connected. You can see mine has already automatically connected. Now I can see my TIKCOIN account balance right here on my application, on my TIKCHAIN application. So everything is connected automatically. All right, I'm going to go back right here. Now I am mining on both TIKCOIN application and TIKCHAIN application, and I can see them all on the TIKCHAIN application. Now apart from that, things you need to do in order for you to earn more with this application, you need to complete tasks. So click on the home page. All right, now what they really want you to do with this application is activities. They want to see how active are you on the ecosystem, because being active on the ecosystem is going to also boost your points and also boost your eligibility for getting your TIKCOIN that you've been mining all this while. All right, so now quickly click on the tax section right here. Click on it. There are a lot of tasks you can do here, and you get some extra points, which is CP and XP. You can get those points by just completing tasks right here. Now I already got some. Let me click this. Now CP is actually going to be useful in the ecosystem. You are going to use it for a lot of stuff while on this application. It gives you access to a lot of stuff, so you should try and accumulate your CP also. It's very important. All right, now over here we have games. You can go ahead, play games every day, and also earn some free CP on this application. All right, so you can play games. You can see they have some interesting games right here, and you can go ahead, play them every single day, and you're going to also get some engagement points on this application. Now apart from that, click on the social. All right, I'm going to accept this and continue. Now on social, this is where you can post. You can make a post and get people to like your post, people to engage on your post. People can also comment on your post right here, and the more posts you make, the more engagement you get, the more traffic you also get to your page. All right, now if you click on profile, you see that you have your profile over here, and people can actually follow you on this application. So people can actually follow you by coming to your profile and click on the follow button, and you can also follow them back. So it's actually like a social media where you guys can follow each other and do a whole lot of stuff. All right, so if you check on your wallet, if you click on wallet, you can see over here my CP, my chain points over here, my TIKCHAIN over here that I'm mining. I just started, so it's still 0, and over here is the TIKCOIN that I have mined on the other TIKCOIN application. All right, you can see your TIKCOIN balance right here, and I'm still mining. All right, so that is all what you can see in your wallet right here. All right, so it's very easy. These are the things you need to do using this application in order for you to be eligible for the distribution of the TIKCOIN, and also accumulate more of the coin. All right, so let me quickly show you an example of how to make a post right here quickly. Let me just put maybe GM, then GM everyone. All right, good. Then I can just say follow me, and I'll follow back. Okay, then I'm going to post this. All right, it has been posted successfully, and now if you have enough CP on your balance, you can actually promote any stuff on this section of the application. All right, so if I have enough CP on my balance and I decide to promote what I just posted right now, it's going to be pinned on the top. You can see these are the people that are pinned here, promoted. You can see where it's written promoted. These are the people that have already promoted their post. That is why their post is at the top right here, and they are going to be getting a lot of engagement once anyone come into this application. All right, so this is what I just posted, and you can see it here. All right, so this is just what you can basically do over here All right, it's a social media application and a lot of stuff. You can actually create tokens, you can check their exchange right here, you can trade, you can do so many things on the application. We have NFTs. All right, you have NFTs here. You can create NFTs, buy, and trade them also over here. These are things you should focus on when you are using this application. Do not just install the application and just come in to just mine once a day and just come in to click the button and mine. All right, you have to do these activities so that you can get some engagement points and chain points on this application. All right, it's very important to do all that. So guys, so it's as simple as that, guys. I just showed you everything you need to understand, everything you need to do using this application right now. So the link's in the description. If you're interested, you can hop on it. And if you've been mining on the TIKCHAIN application, this is an application you should have. You must use this so that you can also be part of the ecosystem. All right, your activities are going to also help build this ecosystem, and it's going to also help you boost whatever you have mined on this project. All right, so it's as simple as that, guys. But guys, remember, all what we are doing here is completely free of charge. We are not paying a dime for it. All right, so you are just going to take your time to use this application, and it's your engagement that matters. So if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one, guys. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.